So welcome to lesson 1, that's introduction to freelance writing. Here, I'm going to introduce you to what freelancing is. We'll talk about the pros and cons, we'll talk about the niches, and then of course I'll introduce you to and how to find writing opportunities. So maybe just to get right to it, if you don't know, if you are completely new to this, so freelance writing is a form of self-employment in which, as a writer, you work independently and you provide your services to clients on a project by project basis. So this is different from, when you're employed full-time, you are self-employed here. Now, as a writer, you may work in industries such as journalism, marketing, advertising, and content creation. This we will talk more about it when we talk about the niches and of course the types of freelance writing.